Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we are going to make this simple text animation. Now first step is to create a sequence. Click here and then click here. Now in this folder, then this folder select this one. Double click to select. Now next step is to create a black background. Click here and then click here. Now click OK. Drag this black video to your layer 1. Minimize the scroll bar. Now next step is to create a text layer. Click on this and then click here. Type your text. Adjust size whatever you want like this. Select this tool and then now select your, if you want to change your font, then double click on your text. Now in effect control, scroll this down. You can see here text. You can change your font from here. I am using this font. Now select your text layer and scroll this up. You can see here position. Select this keyframe and move your position like this. Now your text is out of frame. Now move this slider forward to 2 seconds. Change this position again, something like this. Now if you play the animation, to make it more cool, you can right click on this keyframe. Then in this you can click on ease in. Click on this arrow and then select this keyframe. Change this position like this. Now if you play the animation. Now our next step is to create rectangle from which our next text will come out. For that, make sure no layer is selected. Click anywhere except this layer. Now you can see here pen tool. Hold click on this pen tool and then select rectangle. Draw rectangle here, something like this. Change its color to white because our font color is white. It will match. Scroll this down and change its color to white. Move this layer where our text animation is completed. Like my text animation is completed here, so I will move this here. Now next step is to add animation on the rectangle. Select your rectangle layer and if you move this down you can see here shape. In shape select this rotation keyframe. Move this forward something like on 3 seconds. Now change this rotation to or minus 95 degree. Again ease in this, right click and then ease in. Select this arrow key and move this backward. Now if you run animation. Now next step is to add our second text. Make sure no layer is selected. Select this text tool and then click here. Type your text. Select this tool. Now change its position. Overlap it to previous text. Now move this scroll bar where your rectangle is opening. Like rectangle is open here. Now move this text layer here. Now next step is to add animation on it. Select this layer and then enable this position keyframe. Again move forward to 2 seconds. Something here. Now change your position like this. Now you can see. If you again right click on this keyframe and then ease in. Select this arrow. Now take it backward. If you play the animation, you can also change this font, this text layer font. Scroll this down while selecting this layer. Now change your font from here. Now if you play the animation, now our next step is to move all text out of the frame. So take your slider where every animation is completed. Like now everything is stopped. So my slider is here. Now select your first text layer. Now next step is to you have to click this. Now move forward to 1 second. Increase duration. Now change this value. Something like this. Increase this value. Now your font is out of frame. You can again click this and move it backward to make it smooth as you want. You can play with this setting. Now again we will do this same thing with other text. From here after make a few distance, now click this while selecting your second text layer. Now click this, move forward some to 1 second. When full text disappear, now change this position, decrease this position like this. Now your text is disappeared. Now last thing is to change, remove this rectangle from frame. Select this rectangle layer. Now my first text is start moving from here. So my slider is here. Now select your rectangle layer and scroll this down. Move its position back to 0. Copy this keyframe, Ctrl plus C. Move this forward in the middle of both. Now paste it, Ctrl plus V here. Now enable this scale keyframe. Move this forward and change it to 0. Select this both of this and move it forward. Now if you play the animation, now next step is to add a blur effect, because when they disappear we have to blur them. Now to add a blur effect, my first text is disappeared from here. My slider is here and my text is disappeared, so I will trim this here, and now I have to see from where my second text is disappearing. My second text is disappeared from here, so I will trim this like this, and now I have to see from where my rectangle is disappearing. My rectangle is disappeared from here, so I will trim this like this. Now next step is to select your this text layer and click here, then select effect, search for fast blur. Now you can see fast blur in. Drag and drop this on your first text layer. Now drag this fast blur out to your rectangle and again your other layer like this, and then this. If you play the animation now, so this is what we were going to make this in video. Now if you want to change background, you can import video here. Like after importing your video, you can delete this black video layer. Now drag this your video at where your black video layer was. You can increase its size from here. Trim this like this. Now if you play the animation, so thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can comment.